High up in the clouds, where the air is thin and the mountains touch the sky, lies Tibet. This region, often shrouded in mist and mystery, is a place where nature reigns supreme and the landscape is both breathtaking and formidable. This magical land is often called the roof of the world. Its vast expanses stretch out like a giant elevated island in the sky, offering a unique and awe-inspiring view of our planet. It is home to some of the most amazing creatures on Earth. These animals, each with their own unique adaptations, have carved out a niche in this high-altitude wilderness. These animals have learned to survive in a place unlike any other. Their resilience and ingenuity are a testament to the power of nature and the will to survive. They thrive in the cold with little oxygen, surrounded by towering peaks. The harsh conditions have shaped their behaviors and physical characteristics, making them some of the most fascinating creatures on the planet. Come along and let's meet some of these incredible creatures. From the elusive snow leopard to the hardy yak, each species has a story to tell. The Tibetan Plateau is a harsh and unforgiving environment. Its rugged terrain and extreme weather conditions make it one of the most challenging places to live. The winters are long and cold, and the summers are short and cool. The temperature can drop drastically, and the winds can be relentless, adding to the difficulty of survival. There is very little rainfall, and the air is thin. This lack of oxygen makes every breath a challenge, and only the most well-adapted species can thrive here. Only the toughest animals can survive here. Their ability to endure and flourish in such a demanding environment is nothing short of extraordinary. Despite the challenges, Tibet is home to a wide variety of animals. Each species plays a crucial role in the ecosystem, contributing to the delicate balance of life on the plateau. Many of these animals are found nowhere else on Earth. Their unique adaptations and behaviors are a direct result of the plateau's distinctive environment. They have adapted to the unique conditions of the Tibetan Plateau in remarkable ways. From specialized diets to unique reproductive strategies, these adaptations ensure their survival in this high-altitude world. Join us on a journey to discover the secrets of these extraordinary creatures. We will delve into their daily lives, uncovering the mysteries of how they navigate and thrive in such a challenging environment. We will learn about their lives, their struggles, and the challenges they face in a changing world. As the climate shifts and human activities encroach, these resilient animals must adapt once again to survive. High in the Himalayas lives a mysterious and elusive creature, the snow leopard. Known as the ghost of the mountains, this majestic animal is rarely seen by humans, adding to its enigmatic allure. This big cat is perfectly suited for life in the high mountains. With its powerful build and keen senses, the snow leopard thrives in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Snow leopards have thick fur that keeps them warm in freezing temperatures. Their fur is not only dense but also beautifully patterned, providing both insulation and camouflage. Their large paws act like snowshoes, helping them move easily across the snow. These paws distribute their weight evenly, allowing them to tread lightly on the snow's surface. They are amazing climbers, using their powerful legs and sharp claws to scale steep cliffs and rocky outcrops. Their agility and strength enable them to navigate the rugged terrain with ease. These solitary hunters are masters of camouflage. Their ability to blend into their surroundings makes them nearly invisible to both prey and potential threats. Their spotted coats blend in perfectly with the rocks and snow. This natural disguise is crucial for their survival, allowing them to approach prey undetected. They stalk their prey, which includes blue sheep and marmots, with stealth and patience. Snow leopards can wait for hours or even days for the perfect moment to strike. Sadly, snow leopards are endangered. Their population is estimated to be between 4,000 and 6,500 individuals, making conservation efforts critical. Their biggest threats are habitat loss and poaching. As human activities encroach on their natural habitats, snow leopards find it increasingly difficult to find food and shelter. People hunt them for their beautiful fur and for their bones, which are used in traditional medicine. These practices have devastating effects on their population, pushing them closer to extinction. The yak is a familiar sight on the Tibetan Plateau. This large, shaggy animal is perfectly adapted to the cold, harsh climate. Yaks have long, thick hair that protects them from the cold. Their large lungs and hearts help them breathe the thin air. They even have special blood cells that are more efficient at carrying oxygen. Yaks are essential to the people of Tibet. They provide milk, meat, and wool. Their dung is used for fuel, and they are even used for transportation. These gentle giants are well suited for life on the roof of the world. They graze on the sparse vegetation and are surprisingly agile on their feet, navigating the rocky terrain with ease. The Tibetan wolf is another fascinating creature that calls the high plateau its home. Smaller than their gray wolf cousins, these wolves have adapted to survive in this challenging environment. Tibetan wolves have thick fur that helps them withstand the freezing temperatures. They are incredibly strong and can take down prey much larger than themselves. They hunt in packs, working together to bring down wild yaks and Tibetan antelopes. These wolves play a vital role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. Sadly, they are sometimes persecuted by humans who fear for their livestock. However, efforts are underway to promote coexistence between wolves and local communities. Grace on the plains, the Tibetan antelope. Across the vast plains of Tibet roams the graceful Tibetan antelope. These antelopes are known for their incredible speed and endurance. Tibetan antelopes have large hearts and lungs, which allow them to run for long distances in the thin air. They can even outrun a wolf. During the summer, the females embark on a remarkable journey, migrating hundreds of miles to give birth to their young. Sadly, Tibetan antelopes are threatened by poaching. Their soft, warm wool, known as chatouche, is highly prized. Thankfully, conservation efforts are helping to protect these amazing animals. Red panda, a splash of color in the mountains. In the dense, misty forests of the eastern Himalayas, lives a creature that seems to have stepped right out of a fairy tale, the enchanting red panda. This elusive animal is a true gem of the mountains, adding a splash of vibrant color to the lush green landscape. With its striking reddish-brown fur, bushy tail, and an adorable cat-like face, the red panda is a sight to behold. Its fur not only provides warmth but also acts as camouflage among the reddish moss and white lichen of its habitat. Red pandas are incredibly skilled climbers, spending most of their lives high up in the trees. Their agility allows them to navigate the forest canopy with ease, moving from branch to branch with grace and precision. They have sharp, semi-retractable claws that help them grip branches securely. Additionally, a special bone in their wrist acts like a thumb, allowing them to grasp bamboo stalks and other food items with remarkable dexterity. These adorable creatures are mostly active at night, making them nocturnal. They feed primarily on bamboo, but their diet can also include fruits, acorns, and insects, depending on availability. Though they are generally shy and solitary, red pandas are known to communicate with each other using a variety of sounds, including whistles, squeals, and twitters. These vocalizations help them maintain social bonds and navigate their environment. The playful, red-faced macaque. High in the mountainous forests of Tibet, you might be lucky enough to spot a troop of red-faced macaques. These monkeys are easily recognizable by their bright red faces and thick fur. Red-faced macaques are well adapted to the cold. They have thick fur that keeps them warm and short tails, which help to conserve heat. They are very social animals and live in large groups, which helps them to stay warm and find food. These playful monkeys are omnivores and feed on a variety of fruits, leaves, insects, and even bark. They are highly intelligent and are known to use tools to obtain food. Protecting Tibet's treasures. The animals of Tibet are truly remarkable. They have adapted to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. But they need our help. Many of these animals are endangered due to habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. It is important that we protect these animals and their home. We can do this by supporting conservation organizations, reducing our carbon footprint, and educating others about the importance of wildlife conservation. The future of Tibet's animals is in our hands. By working together, we can ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to thrive on the roof of the world for generations to come. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to help spread awareness about animal protection and environmental conservation worldwide.